Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to our channel study forum. I hope that you all are well. Our today's class topic is natural regions of Pakistan. So let's begin. Now first have a look on the definition of natural region. Natural region, it means the region which has life, which has latitude, which has relief, which has a proper structure, which has a climate, vegetation, livestock and a way of living. So the region which has all these components is called the natural region. We can divide Pakistan with respect to natural region into following regions. These regions are the plain region, the desert region, the coastal region, tropical and subtropical region, and the last region is dry and semi-dry mountain region. So students, we can divide Pakistan into 5 natural regions. We are going to discuss all these regions in details in our upcoming lectures. So first begin with the plain region. Today's topic is only the plain regions of Pakistan. That's mean we are only today going to discuss the first region, first natural region, which is plain region. So let's begin. Plain region of Pakistan. As you know that Pakistan has a very moderate climate because we have the plain areas. The plain areas, we can divide the plain area of Pakistan into 2 parts. One is the plain area of Punjab, which is also called the Upper Indus Plain, and the other one is the plain area of Sindh, which is also called the Lower Indus Plain. This is the plain area. As you know, the plain area is the even surface of land. The land is very fertile because the plain area of Pakistan, which is the Punjab and Sindh area, so these areas are formed by the alluvium of river Indus. That is why these areas are very fertile, and this area even before the establishment of Pakistan was known as the home of grain. Most of the plain area of Pakistan, it includes the province of Punjab and Sindh, Upper Indus Plain and the Lower Indus Plain. Beside these, we also have some plain region in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan. So today we are going to discuss the plain area of Punjab, plain area of Sindh and some plain region of KPK and Balochistan. So let's begin with the plain region of Punjab. As you know, the plain area of Punjab, it is also called the Upper Indus Plain. It is very fertile because it is made with the silt which the river Indus bring along with other rivers so many years before. This region start from the Potohar and Salt Range and stretch up to Mithankot. Now let's discuss the location of this plain. The location of this plain is that this region starts from the Potohar Plateau. All the area that is from the Potohar Plateau up to the Mithankot is the Upper Indus Plain. It is very fertile and different dobes are present in this portion of land. In the Punjab area, different doba is present. So student, you will have a question in your mind that what is doba? Doaba is basically a piece of land that lies between the 2 rivers. So a land which is between the 2 rivers is called dobs or doaba, इसे उर्दू में कहा जाता है. The land of Punjab that spread area between many water dobes. Canal, it is the main source of irrigation, and to meet the needs of ever increasing population of the country, tube well are also being installed to overcome the scarcity of water. Now let's discuss the major crops of this region: wheat, cotton, sugarcane, maize. These are the main crops of this region. Beside these, the orchards of oranges, mangoes, guava, they are found in large number. This region is of prime importance from agriculture point of view because it not only meets the food needs of our country, but we also earn huge foreign exchange by the export of fruits, cotton and rice. Now let's discuss our second plain region, which is plain region of Sindh. This region is also known as Lower Indus Plain. Like the Upper Indus Plain, this is also very fertile. Now let's discuss the location. Thar Desert that lies to the east of this region, and it starts from the Mithankot till the Thatta. Mithankot to the Thatta, the area it is called the plain area of Sindh and also Lower Indus Plain. Irrigation, it is mostly done with the help of canals, but tube wells they are also being used for the irrigation purpose to make up the deficiency of water. Beside these, different barrages are also constructed here, like Sakhar and Gudu Kotri barrage, they are also of great importance. Now the major crops of this region are wheat, sugarcane, rice and cotton. Now let's discuss the last region, which is the plain region of KPK and Balochistan. The plain region of KPK mostly consists of district of Peshawar, Banu, Lucky Marwat, D.I. Khan and Mardan. Different canals they are constructed from the Varsak Dam. These canals are constructed to provide water to different fields of these plains. These canals irrigate the plain region of Peshawar. Now let's discuss the plain area of Balochistan. As you know that Balochistan is a dry region, but most of the plain areas of Balochistan they are irrigated by two canals dug out of Gaddu barrage. These are deserts and packed feeder canals. The shortage of canal water is met with the help of tube wells. Like canals, they are being constructed to irrigate most of the land of Balochistan. Beside this, to meet up with the water deficiency, tube wells are also being installed. Wheat, tobacco, sugarcane, maize and rice are the major crop of this region. Students, I hope that you understood the lecture. So if you, then please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.